So we're going to undo the interior door card. To do that, we've got to remove the 4 screws that hold this netting in, and then the 2 screws that hold the handle. They're T20s. Next, get the panel from the bottom, and then you've got some clips here and at the top, so try and get it out from the bottom first. And then slide it towards the front of the car, and that's removed. So slide it to the side and then up from the back. And then get the door handle, line them up, and start screwing that in. Do the same with the lower one. And just turn it down. And get a little storage handle and start getting those in. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.